Hi, I'm Tony. In this session, we will learn to understand how search engines work. The discussion will be focused on Google search engine, as Google dominates the search engines market. In order to execute a SEO campaign well, digital marketers and SEO specialists must understand how search engines work. Thus, you need to learn the process of how Google ranks websites and contents. We will call the processes as CIR, crawling, indexing, and ranking. We will discuss each stage in detail. Google search engine has three basic functions, whereby Google uses bot as a search engine spider to perform its processes. The basic functions are 1. Crawl, the stage when Googlebot searches the internet, searches for contents, and checks codes and contents for each URL, website, and content found by Googlebot. 2. Index, the stage when Googlebot records, stores, and organizes all the content it finds. When a website or content page has entered Google's index or database, that content will be displayed when the user searches a query related to that content. Query are keywords or words for searching on search engines. 3. Rank, the last stage where the recorded content will be sorted and ranked according to its relevance at the top position and the very beginning of the page. This means this process helps serve content or information that provides the best answers based on the queries used to search through Google. CIR takes place all the time, reaching all content and websites on the internet network. Google's task is to focus on giving the best information for its users. Google loves valuable content, providing answers and information relevant to queries used by its users. The illustration describes how Googlebot works behind the scenes to support Google in providing the best and most relevant content or answers. This process runs rapidly. Crawling, indexing, and ranking occurs every second. To start the process of optimizing and ranking websites and content, you must check whether your website and content have been crawled and indexed by Google. If it hasn't been crawled and indexed, it will not be able to rank. The way to check it is to type this query, then enter in the Google search form. You will find out whether your website and content have been visited or included in Google's index database. If it has been included, the result will be like in the picture, where I use tribunews.com as an example to see whether it is already on Google database. For new websites or content, it usually takes time to be crawled or indexed. Don't worry, we can optimize crawl and index too. The main task of a SEO specialist is to optimize the CIR process related to the digital asset managed. For the crawl process, you need to create a sitemap or map the website and content. Also, Google Search Console URL, that is an inspection tool, used to optimize the crawling process that Google does to your website and content. For the index process, you will submit a sitemap through GSC, check the robots meta tags, and use GSC index tools such as coverage and sitemaps. For the ranking process, you will learn how to create an SEO-friendly website and SEO contents, build quality backlinks, and optimize the page experience from your project website. For the simulation, please access Google Search Console tool in this link. Please don't forget to install GSC on your website so it can be immediately optimized with GSC. Google Search Console is an optimization and reporting tool that is used to measure search traffic and website performance, fix technical problems related to websites and content, with a main objective of making your digital asset have brilliant, maximum, and satisfying organic search performance.